Look at your your hands. Come on. Good. Good. Yeah. Pull more back, not that much to the side, pull more back. And he should be looking in, not out. Good. There you go. Back, not out. Back, not out. And remember, when you pull one side, you gotta take the other hand forward. Otherwise, he can't turn his head. Your hands. Kick him. And your reins are all sloppy. Your reins are not to play.